Okay, dear students, here I am discussing some of the vital questions, MCQ questions based on the concept of coordinate geometry of your class 10 math. And I hope you are looking forward. Okay, and here I am discussing some of the vital questions for you. I hope these are the most helpful to you. Okay, for your preparation. Okay, I hope you will follow it and you will practice it. Okay, and let's see the first questions I am discussing here. Here the question is that the ratio in which the x-axis divides a line segment joining 2 points whose coordinates are 3, 6 and another coordinates 12, -3 is the option A is 2:1, the option B is 1:2, and the option C is 2:3, option D is 3:2. Okay, understand? Okay, so here it is saying that you have to find the ratio in which the x-axis divides a line segment joining the 2 points whose coordinates are given. You see, here you see, let us do the diagram first of all, students. Here this is the coordinate axis and this is the x-axis. This x-axis divides the line segment joining the points whose coordinates is 3, 6 and 12, -3. And here look at the students, and one of the coordinate is 3, 6, and clearly 3, 6 means what? You see here is x coordinate is positive and the y coordinate is positive. And all of you know, and if the x coordinate is positive and the y coordinate is positive, then the point will lie in the first quadrant. Let us see clearly, yes or no. Suppose this point here, this point is A. Let us give the name of the point whose coordinate is 3, 6. Which quadrant does it lie at? It lies in the first quadrant. Okay. Says another point is there. Another point is 12, -3. You see here x coordinate is positive and the y coordinate is negative. Understand? So naturally all of you know, and if the x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative, okay, the point will lie in the fourth quadrant. Let us see. Suppose here point is, let this is a point. Okay, let us give the name of the point which is B and which coordinate is 12. Another is -3. Understand? Is it clear? Okay. And if you join this point A and B, we shall get a line segment. Yes or no? And this line segment is divided by the x-axis at the point, suppose at the point P. Okay. Is it clear? So the line segment AB is divided by the x-axis at the point P. Is it clear? It means the point P lies on the x-axis as well as on the line segment. Understand? Okay. Okay. And you see the point P first of all lies on the x-axis. The point P lies on the x-axis. The point P lies on the x-axis, and all of you know any point lies on the x-axis, whose x coordinate is any real number and the y coordinate is always 0. Okay, so the coordinate of the point P, P must be what? Here x coordinate is x, which is any real number, and the y coordinate is 0. Yes or no? Yes or no? It is already discussed in the previous class. Okay, you see the introduction of coordinate geometry. There is a chapter already discussed. You can go through once again. Okay. And again the point P divides the line segment AB into 2 parts. One part is AP, other part is BP. Let one part is AP, the length of AP is M times and length of BP is N times. Okay, so again the point P divides the line segment. The point P divides the line segment AB at in the ratio what? M is to N. Let M is to N. Okay, understand? Okay, let us see. We have to find out that what is the ratio. What is the ratio? M is to N. At what ratio? Okay, the point P is dividing the line segment by the x-axis. Okay, understand? Okay, let us take the coordinate of the point A, 3, 6. So let us, this is x1 and this is y1. Can you take or not? This is x1 and this is what? y1. And here the coordinate of point B is 12 minus 3. Let this is x2 and this is y2. Understand? Okay. Okay. Here coordinate of A is 3, 6. That implies that x1 is equal to 3 and y1 is equal to what? 6. Okay. Here the coordinate of B is 12 minus 3. Write down the number properly. Okay, whenever you are writing the number, it should be properly, correctly. Sometimes you see the one number, write the other number. So you have to check the numerical value exactly what is according to numerical value is given. So here x coordinate is given 12. So here value we can write the x2 is equal to how much? 12 and y2 is equal to how much? Minus 3. Yes or no? Okay. So what you get here now, you see one concept. Here the coordinate of P is x0. Okay, here x1 is equal to how much? 3. y1 is equal to how much? 6. Yes or no? Here x2 is equal to 12 and y2 is equal to how much? Minus 3. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, understand? So we know if a point P divides a line segment, the point P lies on the line segment and P is an interior point. So the point P divides the line segment internally. So we can use the internal section formula here. We can use the internal section formula. And what is the internal section formula? What is the internal section formula? All of you know. If a point divides a line segment joining the points x1, y1 and another point whose coordinate is x2, y2 in the ratio m is to n internally. Okay, then the coordinate of point P. What is the coordinate of point P? You see, the point P divides AB internally. Divide the point internally in the ratio m is to n. We have to find out the ratio. Yes or no? So according to the coordinate of P, what is the coordinate of P? It is what? mx2. Okay, the coordinate of point P. I can write also here the coordinate of the point P. What? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, or my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the coordinate of point P. Or sometimes use the another formula also. Okay, lambda x2. Okay, lambda x1 divided by lambda plus 1 in these cases, and here the point P divides AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. We can use also formula, mostly the student, okay, you can use this formula also. Similarly, lambda y2 plus y1 divided by what? Lambda plus 1. Okay, if the point P divides, if this we can apply here, AP is to BP, what is equal to lambda is to 1, then you can use this as formula. So you can use either any formula, it may be appropriate to you. Okay, don't be confused here. You can use this formula as well as this formula. Here the ratio is m is to n, here ratio is lambda is to 1. Okay, and if you will find the lambda, that is also the required ratio get. Otherwise you can find the ratio m is to n. Okay, is there any confusion? You can use either any of the formula. Okay, nothing to be problem. You can get the answer, you can get the required value. Okay, let us use this formula. You see once again, and here the coordinate of point P is given x0. Why? Because the point lies on the x-axis. So its y coordinate is 0, x coordinate is any real number x. Okay, x may be any number. Now if you will compare, both the coordinates. Okay, you see now, you can say my2 plus ny1 by m plus n is equal to 0, and mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n is equal to x. Okay, now let's see, the y coordinate is 0, a real number is given. So you can compare the y coordinate of this to 0. Yes or no? Yes or no? So let us write on comparison, y coordinate my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n is equal to what? 0. Okay, understand? So here m into y2 value. Can you replace the value of y2 here? y2 value how much? The y2 value is given minus 3. Look at carefully. Minus 3. Yes or no? So can you use minus 3 here? Plus n into y1. The value of y1 is what? Given 6. 6. Divided by m plus n. M plus n is equal to how much? 0. Understand? Okay. So we will simplify this one. You see, this is m into minus 3 is equal to minus 3m. Okay, n into 6 plus n into 6n is equal to 0 whole into m plus n. So m plus n will be transposed. So that implies minus 3n plus 6n is equal to 0 into m plus n is 0. So that implies minus 3n is equal to minus 6n. Is there any mistake? So minus minus can be cancelled. This is 3m, student. This is 3m. Okay. So minus 3m plus 6n is equal to 0. Okay. So minus 3m is equal to minus 6m, and minus minus we can cancel. So 3m is equal to 6n. That implies m upon n is equal to how much? 6 by 3. 6 by 3. Understand or not? 6 by 3. So that implies m is to n is equal to 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Okay. So we got the required ratio. Okay. So if the, understand? So which is the correct option here according to given questions? Here the option A. Okay. The option A is the correct option. Here the option A. The option A is the correct option. Is it clear? Understand? Okay. Just you follow it, practice it, and similar type of problem. Okay. Okay, next question number 2 I am going to discuss here. Here the coordinate geometry MCQ question. Okay, and here find the coordinate of the circumcenter of triangle. Find the coordinate of circumcenter of triangle whose vertices are vertices are the point A whose coordinate is 8, 6. Okay, and point B whose vertex is 8 minus 2, and the point C whose vertex is 2 minus 2. Okay, 3 vertices of a triangle are given. The coordinate of 3 vertices are given of a triangle, and you have to find out the coordinate of circumcenter first of all. Okay, and here is option given for you. Here the option is 2, 5. Here the option is 3, 4. Here the option is 5, 2, and option D is minus 2, minus 5. Okay. Option A 2, 5, option B 3, 4, and option C the point whose coordinate is 5, 2, and option D is a point whose coordinate is -2, -5. Which is the correct option? Let me see. So before discussing the coordinate of the circumcenter of the triangle, first of all of you know what is circumcenter? Yes or no? All of you know what is circumcenter? Suppose this is a triangle. This is a triangle. Understand? And this is the coordinate A. Okay. Suppose this is A, and this coordinate is B, and this coordinate is C. Okay. A, B, C are the 3 points where the coordinate of A is 8, 6. It is given, and the coordinate of B is 8, -2, and the coordinate of C is what? 2, -2. 2, -2. We have to find out the circumcenter of triangle ABC. And you know the circumcenter of the triangle is a point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment of the triangle. Perpendicular bisector, okay, of the line segment of the triangle ABC. Okay, once again listen. Okay, circumcenter is a point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector of the sides of the triangle. Of the sides of the triangle. Suppose I am doing the perpendicular bisector here. Suppose AB is a line segment one of the side. I will draw perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. Perpendicular bisector means what? A line which divides a line segment into two equal parts and also perpendicular to that line segment. It means this line intersect the line segment AB at right angle. I mean, this angle must be 90 degree. Okay? Understand? This is the perpendicular bisector of this line. Similarly, take another line. BC is another line segment. Here, draw the perpendicular bisector to the side BC. Okay? Here you see perpendicular bisector intersecting at the point what? At this point what? This point. Similarly, if you draw another perpendicular bisector, it will intersect at this point. Okay, and this is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AC. This is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment BC. So they are intersecting. This point is known as circumcenter. Okay, why it is called circumcenter? Because students, if you join this point, suppose this point is circumcenter, it is denoted by letter C sometimes. C. Okay, circumcenter is denoted by center. Suppose C. Okay, understand? So if you join the circumcenter to the vertices of the triangle, so they are equidistant. They are equidistant. Okay, let us do the circumcenter, give the another name because the point C is there. So let's see. Okay, let the point P. Let us point P with the circumcenter of the triangle. Actually, see, sometimes we denote the circumcenter of triangle by the letter alphabet C. So let's see, to avoid the confusion, let P be the circumcenter of the triangle ABC. Circumcenter means you will join the point P to the vertices of the triangle. So they are equidistant. They are equidistant from the vertices. It means taking P as vertex, taking P as the center, and taking P as center, and you will take PCP as the radius, or AP as the radius, or BP as the radius. If you draw a circle, what will happen? This will passes through the three vertices of the triangle. You will get a circle here. Is it clear? Taking P as center and radius equal to CP or AP or BP. Is it clear? Then a circle can be drawn which can touch the three vertices of the triangle. Understand? And this circle is known as circumcircle and the point P is known as circumcenter. And you see the CP distance is equal to AP distance is equal to BP distance, and this radius, this distance is known as circumradius, capital R denoted by capital R. All of you know. Okay, and you have to find out the coordinate of this point P. Okay, understand? And let the coordinate of point P be what? X, Y. Let P be the circumcenter of the circle. Let P be the circumcenter of the circle. This is the solution I am writing here. Okay, let P be the circumcenter of the. Let P be the circumcenter whose coordinate is x, y. Let P be the circumcenter. Circumcenter of triangle. Center of triangle. Okay. Given triangle ABC. Okay. Whose coordinate is let x and y. We have to find out x and find out y. And I told already, since P is the circumcenter of the triangle ABC and CP and AP and VP are the circumradius, so CP must be equal to AP must be equal to VP. Okay, so that implies, since C is the circumcenter, so that implies CP is equal to AP is equal to VP is equal to radius capital R, which is known as circumradius. Yes or no? This is known as circumradius. Circumradius. Okay. That implies we can write down CP square. If squaring on both sides, it will be AP square. And that is also VP square. Let us squaring. Okay. So you got CP square is equal to AP square is equal to what? VP square. VP square. Okay, understand? Now let's see. Can you equate CP square equal to AP square? Yes or no? CP square is equal to what? AP square. So that implies CP square is equal to AP square. Here using the distance formula. What is the distance formula? What is the distance formula? Tell. Yes. What is the distance formula? We know, all of you. x2 minus x1. Here the distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 what? Whole square what? Root over. Yes or no? Root over. Okay. And this is the distance formula. You can use the distance formula here. CP. What is CP? CP. The point P, the coordinate x and y. So CP means what? You can take x minus 2. X minus 2. Yes. X minus 2. Difference between the x coordinate whole square plus difference between the y coordinate. Here the value of y2. Here is y1. Y minus or minus 2 is plus 2. So it is y plus 2. Whole square. This is the distance CP. Here you see the CP is equal to distance what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root over. Yes or no? Here x2, suppose I am taking x. Okay, this is the x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, so you see x2 minus x1. Look at here. x2 minus x1. What? x2 value x and x1 value 2. Similarly, y2 minus y1. y2 value what? Y minus y2 means minus or minus 2. So it will be y minus minus 2 plus y minus and minus plus 2 y plus 2. This is y plus 2 is equal to AP square. AP square similarly. Okay, the difference between the here coordinate x. You see. AP square, how can you write? Here x minus 8. Suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So here x2 minus x1. Here x2 means, suppose x2 is what? X and x1 is 8. So x2 means x minus x1 means 8 the whole square plus, suppose this is here y2. If this is y1, this will be y2. So y2 means y minus 6 whole square. Understand? You can use this concept here. Okay. Yes or no? Yes? Yes? So here the point is 86. Understand? So now let us simplify this one. You see now x minus 2 whole square. It will be x square plus 4 minus 4x using a minus whole square. And y plus 2 whole square on expanding a plus 2 whole square formula. Y square plus b square 4, 2 square 4 plus 2 2 ja 4y. Okay, is equal to similarly x minus 8 whole square, x square plus, yes or no, b square 64 minus 8 2 ja 16x. All of you know the identity of a minus whole square. Similar manner y square plus 36 minus 12y minus 12y minus 12y minus 12y. Let me remove this one. Okay. Now see, you can get plus x square in the left hand side and x square in the right hand side will be cancelled. Plus x square in the right hand side will cancel. Here the plus x square in the left hand side LHS and plus x square in the RHS we can cancel. Plus y square in the LHS and plus y square in the RHS can be cancelled. Okay, same side. Okay, same expression. Okay, you see now it is what? Minus 4x. Minus 4x what? Minus 4x plus 4y. Is or no after cancellation? And here 4 plus 4 what? 8. Is it clear? Once again check. Here minus 4x plus 4y. Here plus 4, 8. Similarly here we see now minus 16x. Okay, minus 12y. Here what? 64 plus 36. 64 plus 36 is how much? It will be 6 plus 4 10. 0 carry 1. 3 plus 1 4. 6 plus 4. This is 100 coming. Understand? Okay. So that implies minus 4x. Now I will transpose minus 16x will be plus 16x. Okay. Plus 4y. And this minus 12y will be plus 12y. Okay. Here 8. Here 100. Plus 8 will be minus 8. Okay. That implies. Is it clear? Okay. Minus 4x plus 16x. What is that? 12x. 4y plus 12y. How much? 16y is equal to 100 minus 8. 100 minus 8 is 92. 92 can you get? 92. Yes or no? Yes? 12x plus 15y is equal to 92. Once again you check here. Here Cp square minus Ap square. Here Cp means what? X minus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. And here Ap square and it is x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Here x square plus 4 minus 4x. Here a plus b whole square is y square plus 2 whole square 4 plus 2 2 is 4y. Similarly is equal to x square plus 8 whole square 64 minus 8 2 is 16x. Similarly y square plus 36 minus 12y. Correct. Here plus x square on the both sides, same term will be cancelled. Here plus y square in the LHS, plus y square in the RHS is cancelled. After cancellation is minus 4x, plus 4y, here plus 4, 8. And here is minus 16x, minus 12y. 64 plus 36, 100. Okay, so minus 4x plus 16x, minus 16x will be transposed to left hand side, will be plus 16x. Plus 4y, here minus 12y will be transposed to the left hand side, will be plus 12y simultaneous. So 100 plus 8 goes to right side, will be minus 8. So minus 4 plus 16 what? Plus 12x. And 4y plus 12y what? Plus 16x. And 100 minus 8 how much? 92. We got? Okay. Understand? Is it clear? So you can simplify also this 12x and plus 16y plus plus 92. Can you common factor? Is a common factor 2 here, common factor 2 here, common factor here also common factor 2. So after taking the common factor, we can simplify. We can simplify. Okay? And we can simplify here. So are you writing here? All of you writing? Okay, let us note down here. Okay? Okay. Let's see. You will see. And here's 12x. 12x, you will doing the 2 common factor will 6x plus 8y is equal to 92. We will cancel here 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. 1 12. 2 6 ja 12. Again you can common factor also. You can common factor 6x plus 8y is equal to 46. 46. Okay. So 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja. So it is cancelled. Common factor 4 you can take also. Okay, no problem. Again bring the common factor 2 here. 3x plus 4y is equal to 46. You will cancel again. 2 2 ja 2, 3 ja 23. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 23. We got an equation, linear equation we got. Okay, understand? So 3x plus 4y is equal to 23. One linear equation we got. Understand? By taking Cp square is equal to Ap square. By taking Cp square is equal to Ap square, we got 3x plus 4y equal to 23. Can you take similarly Ap square is equal to Bp square? Similarly, we get another equation. Yes? Understand? So note down here. Okay? So let us see. Similarly, by taking another here, let us equate. You can equate also. If you see Ap square is equal to what? Or Cp square is equal to Bp square can also go. You can take also Cp square is equal to Bp square. Yes. You can take also, you can get, or you can get Ap square is equal to Bp square. No problem. No problem. So Ap square is equal to what? Bp square. Is that get? Okay, using the distance concept, distance formula, here Ap square means what? Ap square means what? Here x1, y1, x2, y2, x minus 8. That implies x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Okay, and is equal to Bp square similarly x minus 8 whole square plus x minus 8 whole square. Yes or no? Yes. And y minus or minus 2 means y plus 2 whole square. Y plus 2 the whole square. Can you get or not? Okay, understand? Once again, free. Here Ap square means here P coordinate x1, y1. This is xy. P coordinate xy. Here x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So x minus 8, x2 minus x1, x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Here value of y2. Here is y1. Here y1 value is 6. Okay, so y minus 6 whole square. Similarly, Bp square. Here Bp square means this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. X minus 8 whole square. Y minus or minus 2 means plus 2 whole square. Sign will change. Yes or no? Huh? So it is what? It will be cancelled here. So after cancellation, x minus 8 whole square and in the LHS and x minus 8 whole square RHS. Can you cancel? Can you cancel? Yes. Yes. After that, you see y minus 6 whole square using the identity m minus 3 whole square, y square plus 36 minus 12x is equal to what? Y square plus 4 plus 4y. Understand? You see again plus y square and plus y square on both sides will be cancelled. Okay, here is y. It is 12y. 12y. Okay. Y square plus 36 minus 12y. Okay. Understand? So that implies minus 12y minus 4y is equal to 4 plus 4. Okay, you see now minus 12y here plus 4y goes to the left side. It will be minus 4y here 4 and plus 36 will be minus 36. Understand? So it will be what? Minus 16y and it is what? Minus 32. So minus 16y will be plus 16y. Here minus 32 will be plus 32. Change the sign. Here it minus 16y will be plus 16y. Okay, here minus 32 will change also sign. Okay, if one of the term will change the sign in one side. Okay, similarly, the term on the right side will also change the sign. Okay, so here minus 16y will be plus 16y. Here minus 32 will be plus 32 by process of multiplication of minus 1 on both sides. So you will cancel here 16 to the 32. So that implies y is equal to how much? 2. So got value of y is equal to 2. Here value of y is 2. Okay. Now putting the values in the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 23. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see now here 3x plus 4y is equal to 23. That implies 3x. So value of y is replaced by 2. Here 4 into 2 how much? 8 is equal to 23. Look at here 4y. Here value of y what? So the value of y is 2. 2 4 is 8. So that implies 3x is equal to 23 minus 8. 23 minus 8. Okay. So that implies 3x is equal to 15. Okay. So x is equal to 5. We can cancel 3 5 are 15. So x is equal to 5. We got the exponent. We got the exponent. Okay. So here we got the circumcenter of the triangle. The circumcenter of the triangle PXY. We got what? P. The value of x is what? 5. And the value of y is what? 2. Okay. Hence, the circumcenter. In the circumcenter we got. Circumcenter is circumcenter of the triangle I2. Okay, this is the answer, and the required option is what? Which option? Yes, option C. Option C is the correct option. Understand? Okay. Thank you. Okay, next question. Question number 3. I am discussing. Okay, and here the question number is there. And if the coordinate of one end point of a diameter is given 2 3. Okay, one of the coordinate of one end point of the diameter is given. It's 2 3, and its center is minus 2 5. Then the coordinate of the other end point of the diameter is option A 6 7, option B 6 coordinate 6 minus 7, option C the coordinate is minus 6 minus 7, and option D is minus 6 7. The coordinate minus 6 and 7. Okay, understand? Here we have to find out the coordinate of other end point of the diameter. A diameter is given. We know a diameter. The end point of the diameter lies on the circle. The end points of the diameter lie on the circle, and coordinate of one end point of the diameter is given, which is 2 3. The coordinate of the center is given, which is minus 2 5. Okay, we need to find out the coordinate of other end of the diameter. Let us draw a circle first. This is a circle. Let this is the diameter of the circle, whose center is O. Let AB be a diameter of the circle. Understand? Let the coordinate of A, one of the end point coordinate is given. Yes or no? One end point of the diameter is, let this is 2 3. Okay, the coordinate of A be 2 3. Okay, and the center is, the coordinate of center is minus 2 5. Yes or no? We will find out the coordinate of the end point B of the diameter AB. Okay, okay, Understand? Yes, we'll find out the coordinate of B of the diameter AB. Okay, so let us see now. Okay, you see AB is the diameter, AB is the diameter, AB is the diameter, yes or no? Yes or no? And the coordinate of A is given what? 2, 3. Understand? And center, the coordinate of B, you find out. Okay, let the coordinate of B be xy. Can you take? Let the coordinate of B be xy. Yes or no? X and y. And here center, the coordinate of center. But the center given what? The coordinate of center is O. The coordinate is given minus 2, 5. Minus 2, 5. Okay? Understand? Let's find the coordinate of the B of the diameter AB. Okay, how to do? Yes, think for a while. It's a very easy question for you. Yes or no? You see now, AB is the diameter of the circle and O must be the center. O is the center of the circle. So, O is the midpoint of the diameter AB. O is the midpoint of the diameter AB. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So, using the midpoint formula. Okay. If, what is the midpoint? Coordinate of midpoint? Midpoint formula? Yes? Here, O is the midpoint. Here, O is the midpoint. Yes or no? Here, the center O is the midpoint of the diameter AB. Okay. So, let us take here coordinate of A is 2, 3. Let this is x1 and this is y1. Here x1, let us x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 3. So coordinate of B, suppose this is x2 and this is y2. Here x2 is equal to x and y2 is equal to what? Y. Okay, we can find out the midpoint. The coordinate of midpoint, O is the midpoint. Yes or no? The coordinate of midpoint. Midpoint formula what? Yes. Is what? x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So this is the coordinate midpoint of the. Understand? Okay. Understand? And here you see one thing is here given. Already the midpoint, the coordinate of the center is already given. It means that implies x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to how much? Minus 2, 5 is already given. Okay, and here you see the coordinate of A is what? 2, 3. And the coordinate of B is what? xy. Here this is x1, this is y1, and this is x2, this is y2. Yes or no? Okay, so x1 means what? Here the x1 is 2 and x2 is what? X. So you can apply 2 plus x by 2. And here the coordinate of y, the coordinate of y1 what? 3. 3 plus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 2 and 5. Minus 2 and 5. Okay. Now can you compare if the two coordinates are equal? We can compare. Okay. Their corresponding x coordinate and their corresponding y coordinate. Now let us compare 2 plus x by 2 is equal to minus 2. Yes or no? Okay. 2 plus, look at here. 2 plus x by 2 is equal to minus 2. So that implies 2 plus x is equal to minus 4. Yes or no? So that implies x is equal to minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Okay, we got x coordinate of the diameter. Similarly, we will compare the y coordinate. You see now, here y1 will what? 3 and y2 value at y. Here y2 value is y. Understand? So now 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to how much? 5. So that simplifies. Look at here. 3. Here this is y1, this is y2. Here y1 is 3, y2 is y. Okay. So here 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 5. So 3 plus y will be what? 10. Then y is equal to how much? 7. Y is equal to 7. So we got the coordinate of other end of the diameter. We got, yes. What do you got here? Yes. Okay. Understand? Hence we got the coordinate of the other end of diameter, and the coordinate of B is xy. B here x value, what we got? X value is -6 and y value is 7. Understand? So the coordinate of other end of the diameter is -6, 7. So here which is the correct option? Yes. Yes, option D is the correct option. Yes or no? So option D is the correct option. Understand? Okay. So the coordinate geometry is very lucid chapter, very interesting chapter for you, and will take interest. Okay, you will practice in proper manner. Okay, thank you.